wonderful product, this wonderful product that I found on www.healtop.com. Now, I've been searching for a product for my skin for a while because my skin easily breaks out. I don't really have bad skin right now, but it easily breaks out. I like a dewy skin. That's what I really like. And I want products that's gonna make me look young and fresh and dewy. So, and also natural. I found this product online. Really good product, guys. It is natural ingredients and stuff like that. In this, it has the clear skin natural spray. This is like a oil. Like after you cleanse your skin, you spray it on and you just oil your skin down. And I usually like to do my skin regimens at night because in the morning I wake up looking so glowy. And this is the skin repair for irritating skin, like from my skin, like as I was saying before, I get irritated by certain products. And this is the repair. I usually use this before I spray the oil on, the mist. And then you have the cleanser, which is all natural. All of these are all natural, and I absolutely love these products because it doesn't break my skin out. It rejuvenates my skin. It hydrates my skin. My skin feels smooth and soft, and it's all natural. You know, you should use all natural products because you never know what these people are putting in products. And the ingredients are like water, lavender oil, bitter orange oil, and stuff like that. So it works. It works for my skin, and I know it will work for your skin if you have sensitive skin. This is definitely the product for you. So this is the clear skin spray oil. I don't know if you can see that. I use this right after I finished cleanse my face, and it just gives my face this nice glowy feel to it. And then this is for the sensitive skin. If you have irritated skin, you can use this. I use this right after, or you know, sometimes I'll use it before I do the spray. It doesn't matter, it gets on anyways. So I will just like mat the spray the oil into my skin, and then I can use it before my makeup. I usually spray this before my makeup, so it sits on my skin and then gives the makeup a nice dewy look. And I'm here giving you a 100% review on this product. This product works for me.